I accidentally made our entire customer database searchable on Google and didn't realize it for 3 months. Posted by you slash throwaway underscore DevOps 447 in r slash sysadmin. I'm a backend developer at a mid sized SaaS company called BuildTrack Solutions. About 200 employees, 200, it's 15,000 paying customers. We build project management software for construction firms. I've been here for 2 years and generally know what I'm doing, or at least I thought I did. Back in August, I was tasked with building a new customer portal where clients could view their invoices, update billing info, basic stuff. The timeline was tight because sales had promised it to a major prospect. I spun up a new subdomain, portal.buildtrack.com, and got to work. Here's where I messed up. Our main app sits behind authentication, obviously. For the portal, I used a popular open source framework that handles auth really well. But I needed to test the invoice display logic, so I created a temporary staging route at portal.buildtrack.com/staging/invoices to iterate quickly. I hard-coded some test data, checked that everything rendered correctly, then moved on to implementing real auth. The staging route was supposed to be temporary. I meant to delete it, I really did. Launch day came in mid-September. Portal went live, customers loved it, my manager was happy. I moved on to other tickets. That staging route, still sitting there, still accessible, still returning data. Except at some point during development, I'd switched from test data to pulling from our actual invoice database, just to see real formatting with actual company names and amounts. The staging route had no authentication, no robots.txt exclusion, nothing. Last week, our head of customer success got a weird email. A construction company in Ohio said they'd Googled their own company name plus invoice and found a page on our domain showing their billing history and 50 other companies' info, all nicely formatted in a paginated list. I felt my stomach drop when she forwarded it to engineering. I immediately checked the route. Still live. I pulled server logs. Google had indexed it in late September. For 3 months, anyone could search construction company name invoice and potentially find this page in results. I took it down within 10 minutes of seeing that email. Then I had to tell my manager, then he told his director, then we had to tell legal, then we had to tell security, then we had to start figuring out who accessed it. The log showed roughly 2,400 requests to that endpoint over 3 months. Most were bots. Some were definitely humans based on the user agents and session patterns. We identified at least 40 unique IP addresses that browsed multiple pages, suggesting they found the data and explored it. We're now in the process of notifying all 15,000 customers. Legal is drafting the emails. We might have to report this to state AGs depending on what data fields were exposed, still auditing that. Our cyber insurance is involved. I've spent the last 4 days in conference rooms explaining exactly what I did and when. The worst part? This was entirely preventable. We have code review, but I added that staging route in a separate commit that was just marked testing routes, and my reviewer didn't flag it. We have security scanning, but it doesn't catch authentication issues on net new endpoints. We have penetration testing, but it's annual and happened before I built this. I still have my job, which honestly surprises me. My manager said everyone makes mistakes and he appreciated that I was transparent about what happened. But I'm basically in purgatory now. Every commit I make gets extra scrutiny. I'm not getting the senior promotion I was on track for. And I wake up every morning wondering if today's the day we find out someone scraped all the data and sold it. The construction company that reported it? They were cool about it, thankfully. Said they appreciated us taking it seriously. But I keep thinking about the 39 plus other IPs that found it and didn't say anything. I don't really have a question. I just needed to write this out. Check your staging routes, folks. And maybe don't rely on memory to clean up temporary endpoints.